it's hard to tell you so. You may not be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paige, and today I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine for 2018. Wow. Did that rhyme? Everyday makeup routine for 2018. Kind of. I know what you're thinking. It's kind of early for a 2018 makeup routine. I know. But I've been doing this every day, and I started doing this towards the end. Well, not every day, but every day that I do wear makeup, this is the look that I go for. I obviously don't wear makeup every day, and I was doing this towards like the end of December too, and I was like, wow, like I really like this. So I've been doing it since, and I kind of wanted to do one of these at the beginning of the year because I feel like my makeup always changes, so I kind of want to see like how my makeup changes throughout the year, you know? All the products that I used in this video will be listed down below like usual. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn that little bell on down there. I think it's down there. I don't really know. But yeah, I think that's it, and let's get right into the video. I zoomed up for you guys because people have been asking me to zoom up, and yeah, so I'm zooming up. So I primed my eyelids, and I also did my eyebrows like usual. These are my favorite eyebrow products ever, my Benefit Ka-Brow, and I'm in the shade 3. And then I also use my e.l.f. Eyebrow, what is this? e.l.f. Eyebrow Eyelash Primer? Can't talk. Gel. This is the gel. This is the best thing ever. Like, this stuff makes your eyebrows stay in place all day, and it's $2. I'm going to take my Patrick Star MAC palette, and what is this one? This is the Goal Getter one. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in front of me. I'm using this shade right here, and this is the color Soft Brown. It's the perfect shade of brown. I'm just placing this color in my crease, all over my eyelid, everywhere. I need to pluck so badly under my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, ew. I am so gross. Like, that is not okay. I'm using the other Patrick Star palette, and I'm taking the color, well, this is a Glam AF palette. I'm taking this kind of dark brown color right here. I don't know if I can do this on camera. I need a mirror. What? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do a wink. I cannot do this on camera. Like, I just tried and I can't. So I've been seeing a lot of people do this lately. Instead of using just a winged eyeliner, they've been using eyeshadow, and it looks so good. It's so easy, and I love it. So I'm going to do that off camera because I can't do this on camera at all. I just did that eyeliner. I'm going to apply some mascara now. I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I'm just prepping my eyelashes for eyelashes. Fake eyelashes. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes, so I'm using my Lily lashes in Miami, my favorite lashes ever. Oh my gosh, come on. Come on. My eyes always water. Why? No. Why do my eyes like always water? Okay, that one's on. Now we have to do this again. I already know this is gonna be a shit show because every time I apply eyelashes to this eye, it always waters right here. I can't stop it. Okay, that's honestly not bad. Like, why am I not in focus? Come on. Okay, and the eyes are done. I already applied primer. I used the Dermalogica one that I've been using. You guys saw that I've been doing this ever since I've done it in my New Year's Get Ready With Me. So I'm mixing together my Peach Perfect foundation. So I'm gonna put that on the back of my hand. And like I said, I fake tanned, so my face is so pale right now, but we're gonna fix this. Along with it, I'm going to be using my Cover XF Custom Enhancer drops in the shade Moonlight. With my fake tan, I feel like my face looks so pale. Oh my gosh, we need to fix this. You guys know I'm not really a huge fan of the Too Faced foundation, the peach one at least. I love the Born This Way one, but the peach one I'm not really a huge fan of. But I only have that shade that matches me right now, so that's why I'm using it. I just got this the other day. This is the Nars Concealer. Okay, everyone tells me I say concealer weird, and I don't know why, but I feel like I don't say it weird. Maybe I do, okay? I don't care, and I'm not going to stop saying it the way I do. Nikki Tutorial said this is way better because it's like kind of thicker under your eyes, so I am listening to my homegirl. Been using this, but I have not really been paying attention. It is so nice. Like, wow. So I've been watching Stranger Things with Billy, and I am hooked. I'm on the 4th episode, I think. I didn't know if I wanted to watch it because I thought it was going to be kind of scary. I mean, it is scary, but it's not like really scary. I mean, you know, I'm sorry if anything looks a little different. I just went out to lunch with my dad and my little brother. I'm going to use my favorite palette now. You guys know I love this. I'm not going to talk about it anymore because I've talked about it way too much. Most of you guys know, but my parents are divorced. My little brother lives with my mom, so he's at my dad's house like every other weekend, and I live with my dad. This is the last weekend we're together, and my dad wanted to go out to lunch, so of course I had to stop filming because I wanted to go out to lunch with them. So I'm sorry if anything looks different, but I really had to go to lunch, you know? Some of you guys were asking when I was going to go back to New York, so I actually go back either the 14th or the 15th, so I'll be back in New York then. I'm so excited. Like, there's nothing to do at home, and it's 2018. Like, I turned 20 this year. What? I'm so old. What do you do when you're 20? Nothing. Like, 19's your last year when you're a teenager. Like, that's cute, but then whenever you're 20, it's like, oh, this is my first year being an adult, but I'm not even 21 yet. So like, lightly going to nose contour. Nose contouring is always the struggle. And then you gotta bake your nose contour, which is always so difficult. I can't get in my nose like I want to. I did bake my face before lunch, so you guys didn't see that, but I'm just letting you know I just baked under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin a little bit, but you guys see me bake all the time. Tell me where I can literally hear my little brother in the basement right now screaming. I'm in my room. Like, there's 2 floors up, dude. I'm going to use a powder and carve out a little bit my cheekbones, you know, clean up under them. I'm going to clean up under my contour. I'm going to use this MAC Dainty blush. Just gonna pop this on the cheeks. This one is adding like a nice like little glow to my skin. For highlighter, I'm actually gonna go in with a different one than my Over one because I love that. You guys know I love my Over one, but I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I actually just got this Wet n Wild one and I heard such good things about them, so we're gonna test her out. This is the highlighter in Precious Petals, and I just use, you guys know I use a blending brush for my highlighter, so we're gonna pop her on. I've heard such good things about them, but I never see them in stores, so I bought them online at Ulta, and I got a couple. I got like 3 different shades. Oh my god, bitch, this is so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I just like to blend everything, so you know, it doesn't look too crazy. I just get a big blending brush and I just blend away my life, basically. 10 out of 10, guys. You need this. Like, what? Now I know why they were sold out like everywhere. I'm going to do the lips now, but do I even have to tell you guys what my favorite lip combo is? Do I? Of course, we're gonna go in with Jeffery Star's Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick, and I'm almost all out of this. I love this, but I'm almost out. And I don't want to like order off of his website because there's like shipping and stuff, so I want to get something like similar to this but not this. Do I even need to tell you guys? My Fenty Gloss, this, wow, let me tell you, life-changing. Oh, and it smells so good. I just leave this in. This is always in my purse. I love it. And then I'm just going to drench my face in my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So that was my whole makeup routine, and this is the finished look. That was all it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. I love you all so much. So much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!